Welcome everyone to my new video, and today in this video I will be showing you how to capture a handshake file without an external adapter and using your Windows. So first of all, you will need an application. Its name is CommView. You can download it from file or site. So first of all, you have to download this and make sure you have any extracting application like WinRAR or anything installed in your computer. So this is being downloaded. Download has been completed and we have to extract it. I'm extracting it here, and you can see a setup here. Just double click on it and install it. After installing this, now open this application. The first time you will open this application, it will take some time. Now, as I already said that I am not using any external adapter, and this supports my internal inbuilt laptop adapter. So I have to click on I want to install the driver and next, and install driver. This will shortly install the driver and click on close and OK. Now you have to restart the application. Now one main thing you have to notice is when you open this application, it will show reconfiguring Wi-Fi adapter, and your Wi-Fi adapter Wi-Fi option will be gone from here, and when you close this application, it will be automatically present here again. So you have to click on this arrow and then click on continue, and it will start scanning for the available networks near me, and it will also show how many devices are connected to the particular network. You can keep scanning until your desired network does not show here. You can already see that there are two devices connected to this network. So when you find your desired network, you have to click on this stop capture and stop the capturing for some time, and then you have to see the channel of a desired network. Here my channel is 1, so you have to go to single channel mode and select the channel. My channel is already selected 1, and you have to click on this blue icon again. Just wait for 15 seconds and then you have to click on continue. Now when you click on continue, then it will start capturing packets from this Wi-Fi and all other Wi-Fi's with channel number 1. So we have to capture this packet from this Wi-Fi, and you can see the packets being captured here. And I'm doing this on my own network, and this video is just for educational purpose only. So make sure you do not do anything wrong. So basically how a packet is captured is when a user tries to connect to that Wi-Fi, like when a new user or existing user try reconnecting to that network, then the packet is captured. So we have to wait until the packet is captured, and just wait for 5 seconds, and the packet will be captured if someone tries to connect, and if it is not captured, then try again just by closing the application and restarting the application, and repeat the same process until you get. Here you can see there were two devices connected recently, but a new device has been connected again, so that means my handshake file has been captured. Or you can just notice that if this device also disconnects and connects in a short interval of time, then you will also get a handshake file. So I'll just click on this stop capture and click on this file and save packet log as. I will give this name one, and make sure you export it in the form of whatsapp/tcdom files.cap. Just say I will save it in the desktop, and my handshake file is here. Now you can use dictionary attack or aircrack ng to write the password out of it. So that was all for this video. Like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.